Hello, and welcome to our channel Pursuit of Wealth. This channel is your ultimate destination for learning about finance and wealth, investing and crypto, informational and educational trends in finance management. If you are someone who wishes to become wealthy and looking for smart money management options, then we are fortunate to have found each other. In today's day, wealth is undoubtedly the biggest asset. Without having a significant amount of wealth, many things would be impossible. But having lots of wealth isn't the only thing that will help. You need to know how to use money wisely. This involves saving money, investing money smartly, living frugally, and carrying out small tips that will help you use your money wisely. This is where we come in because we will help you with some money skills today. We are going to tell you ways on how you can utilize the most out of your money. When you integrate these habits into your daily life, you'll realize that you're saving more money than you realize, which in turn gives you more money to invest in your assets. After all, the main goal should be to spend your money on assets because those give you benefit in the longer term. Now that we've briefed you on what we shall be talking about, it is time to tell you about these money skills you should be knowledgeable about. Number 1. Track your money. Tracking your spending is the first thing you will need to do if you want to manage your money smartly. When you begin tracking where your money is going, you will come to realize that there are so many things that you spend money on needlessly. This is what we need to get rid of. You don't even realize it. There are several things into which our money goes, and we don't even realize it. You solve this problem by using budgeting software and apps to make sure you know where your money is going. If things aren't handy for you on your phone, then you could always power up your laptop and open an Excel spreadsheet where you can note down and then monitor your transactions. When you do this, your money will be right where you want it to be, and you won't be spending money on useless things that you don't even need. Kickstart with this method, and we guarantee you that you will end up saving money significantly. Number 2. Start canceling subscriptions. No matter how much time you have on your hands, you can't watch Netflix, HBO, Hulu, and Amazon Prime all the time. Here, you will need to cancel all the subscriptions you don't use or the least ones you use. Choose any 2 major streaming services out of the 4 and don't go higher than this number. More subscriptions result in more spending, and that isn't our goal. It's saving money and putting your money to effective use. This doesn't just go for streaming services. Be it apps for music or the daily newspaper, start cutting down on apps you don't use frequently. It will only add to your bill at the end of the month, and it isn't going to be any pretty when money is charged from your card without you knowing. Number 3. Start living the frugal life. The concept of frugality is something that isn't for everyone. Many people tend to start living frugally but then end up giving in to their desires and wasting money which they shouldn't do. As for others, once they adopt the frugal life, there is no going back. It would help if you became the second kind. Living a frugal life means living off your needs instead of living off your wants. There is a massive difference between the two. Necessities of life are understandable, and they are needed for every human being. When you start spending money on things you don't need or things which you could save money on, then that's where the story turns sour. Get rid of the luxuries in your life and start living your life as per the basics. This will lead to the elimination of debt if you have any, and will bring you a simple and peaceful life. Number 4. Spend money looking at things and their values. When you judge materialistic things for their values, then you certainly have a better idea of whether you should buy that thing or not. Value the object as you see it in your eyes. If you believe that an object is truly worth buying and that it'll come in handy for a long time, then that is your indicator to buy that thing. Besides, there is another technique that you can use to make sure you're making the right purchase for yourself. That is the 24-hour rule. If you like something and would like to buy it, give yourself 24 hours to decide on a verdict. If you don't think about it during the day, you should pass on the purchase. However, if you do think about it and have a strong urge to get it for yourself, then you'll think about it all 24 hours. The 24-hour rule nonetheless helps differentiate between things you want and things you need. Number 5. keep to a single credit card. Having multiple credit cards will mess up your plans to save money for yourself. As soon as you are done clearing off the debts on credit cards, you shall look to get rid of them forever. Having excessive credit cards is only a waste of time, money, and energy. As long as you have credit cards in your hand, you won't help but keep swiping them in places they don't need to be swiped. When you decrease these credit cards that you have in use, your immediate spending will go down automatically. Since you won't have a card to swipe in your wallet now and then, you will just say no instead of purchasing something. Number 6. Contribute regularly to savings. Depositing money into a savings account each month can help you build decent financial habits. You can even set it up to automatically transfer the funds from your checking account to your savings account. This is a great way to handle your savings, as you won't have to remember to make the transfer every time. A savings account helps immensely. You never know when a particular need could come up or something unfortunate could take place, which leaves you to need extra cash. This is when your savings account comes in handy. If you're bad at saving money or you can't have it in an account, then give it to someone for safekeeping. Make sure that person is trustworthy and they're keeping your money safely so that whenever you need it, you'll end up getting it. Contributing to your savings regularly will help you build good credit, and it also contributes to you having a secure financial future. It is also one of the things that contribute to financial freedom. When a single thing has so many advantages, it would be dumb of you not to opt for it. After all, savings will only help you in the future since it's your money. Savings should be considered emergency money and nothing else. Number 7. Saving up to buy big. Whenever you plan to buy something with a hefty price tag, make sure to do it with the money you've saved instead of using your credit cards. As mentioned before, using your credit card isn't a good habit and one that you should be looking to get rid of. When you delay buying things with bigger price tags, rather than giving in to more essentials or putting the purchase on credit instead, give yourself some time to decide whether or not the investment is essential. Give yourself more time to decide upon buying it. Another reason why you should save up instead of using credit is that paying with cash helps you avoid interest on what you buy. Safety is better than regretting later on, and you need to make sure you and your money are on the safest path possible. Number 8. Get the best prices for yourself. You can work on your savings by making sure you get the best prices available. Be it your essential items, your clothes, or accessories that you need, always keep an eye out for sales because many sales have some decent items available that you can buy. You can make the most of your money by comparison shopping. It ensures that you're paying the lowest prices for the products and services you avail of. Discounts, coupons, and cheaper alternatives are the way to go. For example, if you're subscribing to a monthly streaming service like Netflix, then make sure to go for the yearly subscription deal for 12 months. It will be a cheaper option for you when you calculate it. Whereas, if you renew every month, it will cost a little higher than the yearly subscription. This is just a small example of how you can get the best deals for yourself to make sure you save your money wherever possible. Number 9. Start with your investments. It would help if you were looking at investments as soon as you understand them. Investing in something that promises a decent return isn't harmful at all. Of course, since it's your money, you need to think 10 times before investing it. But once you invest in the right place and start getting returns after some time, you'll want to expand your horizon of investing even more. You could start with small bonds or investment plans that could bring you good returns in a small amount of time. Cryptocurrency. There isn't a right time to invest your money. As soon as you know how to manage money, you should be looking to invest it right away. Investing your money in the right place will bring you more significant returns, and that is what you should be looking towards. After all, nobody becomes a millionaire without investing their money. Some things you can invest your hard-earned money in could be bonds, stocks, and gold. These things bring you good returns. Number 10. Treat yourself right. Managing your finances the right way is a good thing to do, but don't push yourself over the edge in doing so. People make the biggest mistake while managing their money smartly by not treating themselves in the process. Giving in to your temptations can be quite easy, but having such temptations doesn't mean you let things go out of hand. When considering managing your money smartly, the most successful financial minds will want to convince you to make room for your luxuries in your given budget to stay on track. You could reward yourself in several different ways. Go out with friends or watch a movie when you reach a particular savings goal. A little fun for yourself wouldn't hurt, and most importantly, it'll be keeping you on track towards more significant aims. We hope these money skills come in handy for you because they will help you a lot, and all these skills can surely help you make a fortune for yourself. In the end, it's all a game of determination, consistency, patience, and hard work. Please like the video, comment, give your feedback and suggestions, and share with your friends whom you want to be successful just like yourself. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more amazing content about wealth management and finance-related videos. Success is coming your way. Keep your doors open. See ya till the next time.